Hello YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to beat Dejected Angel. Easy. Working 100%. So the best way to beat her is you gotta take her on the long gun right here. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a car that could go turbo really fast car. So here, watch how I do. Ready? It's kind of difficult to get down. Once you do, it's really easy. Ready? You see all this distance I'm getting? It's because she's not fast, and she's actually really easy to beat. And she actually kind of sucks, so that's okay. And there we go guys, just like that. That beat her in 37 seconds. Easy. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.